You are welcome, guys. Welcome to my screen view. You are all welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. So in today's live market analysis, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I have. These are the currency pairs I am watching right here on my screen. You are all welcome. Thanks for joining me today. So last week I wasn't, trading. I didn't trade last week due to the US election. So I was off the trading chart. So I was just relaxing throughout last week, monitoring what was going on fundamentally in the market. So throughout last week, I received a lot of messages from you guys, from most of my followers, on my social media pages, and some of my VIP members, community of mine. Some members asked me, why am I not trading last week? And then I replied, no, due to what actually was going on last week, due to the US election, there is tendency for the volatility in the market, whereby market doesn't have any specified direction of movement. So during this time, there is a lot of factors which can act against our technical analysis. We are technical trader. So this is why, I decided not to trade last week and then just relax, take a break off chart. To make a living, trading, it does not mean you have to trade all the time. It does not mean all the time you have to keep on trading. Just a single trade, it's okay to bargain, a reasonable profit into your trading portfolio. So I was off last week. So, and then this week, I should have released a weekly Forex forecast during the weekend, but I didn't release the weekly Forex forecast due to some factors, because I know there would be a gappings in the market during the next opening of market on Monday, which is gonna be Sunday time, my location right here. So I patiently made the decision. I'm gonna wait to see a market is gonna open up with gappings in the market. So we're gonna also put these gappings into our technical analysis, because gappings has a lot of factors, technical factors in the market in technical analysis. So this is why I neglected releasing a weekly Forex forecast. So in this week, I'm gonna share with you, there is a list of currency pairs I have on my watch list, and this weekly Forex forecast is a live one. That is for 13th to That is from 9th to 13th of October 2020. Today is night, which is Monday. So I'm going to give analysis to what I'm looking at for this week to the Friday of 13th of October 2020. So I got a lot of currency pairs right here. I got from the cryptocurrency market, from the energy market, from the metals market, and the currency market. Actually, you guys can figure right here on my screen. I have some stocks right here. There's the Apple stock, the Tesla, the Amazon, the Microsoft, and the Facebook. But I'm going to analyze what I can figure out technically going on in the market, on the cryptocurrency market, as well the metals, that is the gold, silver, energy market, that is the US oil. I'm gonna give analysis about the major currency pairs as well the minor currency pairs. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm approaching this market this week, this currency pairs, what I'm looking out for in this market. And right now in the market, if I'm going to share the sentimental factors going on in the market right now, you guys can figure out, actually US or the USD is one of the weakest currency in the market right now. And this is based on the analysis on the barchart.com. You can see this is currency meter strength right here. You can see the weakest currency right here we got right here is the EURUSD. That is the US American currency, which is the third weakest currency in the market right now. And then we got a switch. And then we got a Japanese yen. So these are the three weakest currency pairs in the market, or currencies in the market. And then I got a Australian pair against, there is Australian currency. And then we got a Canadian dollar, and then the New Zealand currency. These are the third strongest currency in the market right now. So in order to stack the odds in our favor right here, in order to to trade, to have a free flow of direction of movement according to our anticipation, it is best to pair the strongest currency against the weakest currency. So this is what I'm going to be doing in this webinar today. So for those of you guys who are trying to join me from the YouTube. I'm gonna actually record this video so I can send you a copy on Facebook, on my other social media pages as well. So I'm gonna wipe this up right here. So I got a US oil, I got a British pound sterling, the euro paired against the USD. I'm gonna walk you guys through the major currency pairs right here. So before I walk you guys through the energy market and the currency market, let's first view the cryptocurrency market. I got a Bitcoin right here on my chart based on the daily chart frame, and then you can see right here my last weekly Forex forecast, my one of the forecasts I gave about the cryptocurrency market. I discussed about the potential trade setups which lies in the crypto market, and I gave you guys an analysis on the Ethereum, and I said you guys shouldn't miss the next potential bullish rally on the cryptocurrency market. I stated where you can jump in, where you can actually get the trade, what are the technical factors, the technical images I'm seeing on the crypto market. And you can see right now Bitcoin is currently tagging that as a price level of 15,000 plus. So actually, I have a lot of investment on the Ethereum, and I discussed with you guys, most of my investment on the crypto market, I trade through ownership. That means I hold the digits, that is the asset, digital asset of this currency. So I do not speculate on cryptocurrency market. No, I simply buy this digital asset, own them, and when the price goes up, when it's okay for me to sell, I sell, make profit. When the price drops, I buy low and then I sell high. So this is how I trade the cryptocurrency market. So right now at the moment, I'm still holding on to my crypto, and the crypto market is not yet started with the booming, that is the bullish of the the booming of the bullish trade right now. It's just the beginning. It's just still gearing up in order to enroll for an aggressive bullish rally. So if you're in the crypto market right now, if you bought a Bitcoin at a 10K, actually I accumulated a lot of Bitcoin when it was 10K, and I accumulated a lot when it was around 300. That was a 300. So right now, my position is in the huge profit right now. So I'm still holding on to my investment on the crypto market. And then if you guys are looking up, maybe you missed this trend right there, you're looking out for opportunity to get into this trade right here. That is on the Ethereum right here. Then you guys can look out for, we have a resistance structure which lies at the price level of the 489.65, which was the last high of the Ethereum. That was in September of year 2020, before we had a bearish rally from the swings high right there, a bearish rally right now. The bulls are reversing the trend. So price is currently trying to carve a double top. So if you want to buy right now, you want to buy the Ethereum, I think, to my own personal opinion, to my own personal technical, what I can see on the chart right now, I think it's not the right time for you to buy Ethereum right now, because if you are buying right now, you are buying high, you are buying close to resistance. Remember, we got a resistance structure which lies at the price level of the 489.65, which was the last high of this of the Ethereum. That was in September 2020. So right now, I think the best time for you to buy on the Ethereum right now is if we can look out, maybe we can get a bullish breakout, maybe a retest. I'm gonna extend my chart right here so you guys can figure out what I'm trying to give, analysis I'm trying to give on this Ethereum right here. So right here, I don't want to buy right here. So I'm gonna just get this down right there. So what I mean is, I don't want to buy right here. Actually, I accumulated Ethereum at this level right here, this level right here. So I don't want to buy right here. It's not the right time for you to buy. If you miss a rally from this structure right here, it's not the right time for you to buy right now. So because if you are trying to buy, if you are trying to speculate, take note, I don't mean if you want to trade through ownership. I mean, if you want to speculate, even if you want to trade Bitcoin through ownership, as a trader who has a better understanding or sound, excellent understanding about technical analysis, you shouldn't want to buy high. You shouldn't want to buy high. Instead, you want to buy low, sell high. So this is the that is price of Ethereum is currently close to resistance structure right now. So the best thing is if we can look out for a breakout of bullish spark up, look out for a retest right here, whereby we can figure out a strong price action, bullish price action bar right here, validating this structure right here as a new potential support level. Then that would be the right time for us to go long, maybe to add to your current position on Ethereum or to accumulate more Ethereum. So that is based on my technical opinion on Ethereum. And then that's why also on the Bitcoin, I'm going to navigate based on the monthly chart frame. We can see based on the monthly chart frame on the Bitcoin right here, based on the monthly chart frame right here, you can see right from this was the highest high of Bitcoin in the year right here, 2017 right here. So can see right here, that was in December 2017. That was the highest peak of Bitcoin in historical record. That was a price level of the 19,823.25. And then this right here, we got this structure we got right here, we got a low high swings right here, low high swings right here. These are low high swings. We got a low high swings right here. These are low high swings right here, and the price is currently ensuring a bullish spark above the last low high of the Bitcoin, which is an indication of a new bullish resumption trend on the Bitcoin. So if you're on a bullish trend on the Bitcoin right now, in fact, Bitcoin is not yet started with a bullish trend right here, because this first, this is the development, the early stage or the development of bullish trend on the Bitcoin right now. So don't be surprised the next coming maybe 2 months before the end of this year if Bitcoin rallied up to tag 30K, 40K, because the strong wave I'm seeing right there, it's a very, very, very aggressive or bullish wave. If we should target from the swing low right here, you can see that. So don't be surprised if the Bitcoin head up, rallied up before we got a pull down for a more bullish upward rally on the cryptocurrency market. So this is what I'm figuring out on the Bitcoin, which is the king of the crypto market. So where should you invest in the Bitcoin? Technically, where should you invest? If you're a technical trader or a fundamental trader, where should you invest right here? So I'm going to navigate on the lower time frame right here. So I'm going to show you how you can invest in the Bitcoin. If you want to invest in the Bitcoin right now, let's check based on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's not advisable you jump into the trend right here. You don't jump high. You don't buy high. Like I said on the Ethereum analysis, you don't buy from the high, no, from the top. You tend to buy from the low structure. So if we can patiently, the best thing to do on the Bitcoin is patiently wait for a pullback of price. Patiently wait for a pullback of price. If we can see a pullback of price, maybe revalidating or validating the 13,657.44 key level structure as a new potential support level, then that would be the nice time for us to go long on the Bitcoin, maybe add to your position on Bitcoin or accumulate more if you're trading through ownership or if you are speculating. So I don't want to buy high right now. If you miss the early trend on the Bitcoin, I think right now you have to exercise patience, because if you want to buy through speculation, it's a very, very risky. And then if you want to invest through ownership, don't be surprised if your asset, if your digital, if that is your investment depreciating value there's high potential, possibility. If you buy high right now through ownership, there's a high possibility your investment is gonna have high probability to depreciate in value before it can appreciate, because you are buying high. So that's what I can figure out now on the Bitcoin. So take note of the key level structures, which acts at the price level of the 13,657.44 for Bitcoin. And then for Ethereum, right here for Ethereum, and then take note of the key level structure, which acts at the price level of 363.20. This is the major key level structure right there. Likewise, we got a resistance structure at the price level of the 489.65 as well. We get a lot of minor level structures. So we have a minor level structure at the price level of the 391.909. Likewise, we got another swing high right here at the price level of the 414.62. So I still love the chart of the Bitcoin the way it's technically arranged, it's very, very easy to understand. Whereby the Ethereum, it takes more analysis, more time for you to to make sure you enjoy well analysis. You have to ensure well diligence right before you invest on the Ethereum right here. So the next I want to share with you guys right here is the energy market. I got a US oil right here. I trade the US oil, and at the moment right now, the US oil is currently fluctuating within the range market. So I don't like to trade with a market within the range. That is a market without a specific direction. So you can see right from the level right here, we got a narrow bullish wedge before market went through a consolidation phase right there. So on the US market right now, the market is currently transforming within a range. So I don't want to involve in a range market, whereby there isn't any specific direction of price movement. So I'm going to patiently keep on monitoring the US oil to see direction of movement. Maybe it's going to ensure a bullish upward rally. Maybe it's still going to continue maybe in a range or in a bearish rally. So for now, I'm still off the US market. I can't see any potential trade setup right there. Okay, so if you if you're on the long position on the US oil from the price level right there, whereby price curve a bullish and government bar right there, you should actually look out to trail your profits at this level, because price is currently approaching the last swings high. That is a minor resistance level right there, which acts at the price level of the 41. So that is all I want to share with you on the US oil. So the next I want to share with you guys, I got right there, I got a British pound sterling paired against the USD. The British pound sterling against the USD is still on a rising channel, You can see that, still on a rising channel. So the bullish trend still continue, but take note of the weakness in the bullish momentum right here. In my last weekly forex forecast, I discussed about the rising channel right here and the weakness in bullish momentum right here, or like the kind of bullish momentum we got right there, very strong bullish momentum, but right here we got a very choppy, compressed market right there. So I don't want to involve in a choppy market. So I'm still patiently monitoring the British pound sterling against the USD to see maybe it's gonna be a bullish breakout above the next resistance level structure, which acts at the price level of the 1.32656, or maybe price is gonna ensure a bearish close again below the 1.30029. So at the moment right now, I'm still off the British pound sterling against the USD. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna execute any trade right there, not until if I can figure out a well-defined direction of movement on this currency pair. So the next I want to share with you guys right here, I got a euro paired against the USD. The euro against the USD as well is still in the range. We can tag this right there as a market within the range. We can see right from the bullish channel. I'm gonna zoom in this right from this level right here. Okay, I'm gonna get from this level right here. We got a bullish upward rally, a bullish flag, a bullish rising flag before price went down, and the price keeps on retesting this dynamic trend line of this rising channel. And then this dynamic trend line right here is actually acting as a dynamic resistance trend line. You can see how we got a first rejection right there, second rejection right, and the price is trying to reject once again. So for the fact price keeps on retesting this dynamic trend line right there, it's a signal of an imminent bullish breakout. That's what I can figure out right here. This is what I can figure out right here. This was the first retest right here. We got a second retest right here. You can see the frequent constant retest at this medium right there before we got another third retest right there. So it's a signal of an imminent bullish breakout approaching. So I'm going to patiently pay close attention to this key level structure right here. You can see we got a key level structure, which was a low high swings right there. Likewise right there, this high right there, another high right there. So let's see, maybe the bullish are going to be successful ensuring a bullish close above this structure right there. So if the boost can definitely, maybe they ensure a bullish close above this level right there, then it's a signal of a bullish continuation to the next key level resistance, which acts at the price level of the 1.19621. And then failure for the bears to defend this key level structure, don't be surprised, the bulls have high tendency to put price more upward. So this is what I'm looking out for on this currency pair. So I'm paying close attention to the key level structure, which acts at the price level of the 1.8783. Actually, it's a minor level structure, and then I'm monitoring the dynamic trend line right there. Likewise, the major key level structure, which was the actually highest peak of this currency pairs in the year 2020. So, which is the price level of the 1.19653. So I'm still monitoring the euro pair against the USD. So at the moment right now, I'm still not doing anything on this currency pairs. So I want to share with you as well, that is the USD pair against the Japanese yen. The USD pair against the Japanese yen, I have been emphasizing on the symmetrical triangle on the monthly chart frame. So if you guys have been following my weekly forex forecast, my analysis, you should record, I always emphasize on the importance of the chart pattern we got on the USD, and that is the monthly chart frame. We got a symmetrical pattern based on the monthly chart frame. And this symmetrical pattern right here does have high probability to lead into a long-term trend. So maybe it's going to be a bullish trend, or maybe it's going to be a bearish trend. It does have high probability to lead into maybe a bullish long-term trend or a bearish long-term trend. So what I can figure out right now is the bears are actually dominating in this trend right here. We can see the bears actually are the dynamic support right there, even though the bulls are still defending the key level structure, which acts at the price level. This is a key level structure based on the monthly chart frame. The key level support structure acts at the price level of the 104.167. So let's check that on the daily chart frame. I got the daily chart frame on the USD pair against the Japanese yen right here. This is the support of the 107, that is 104, 104.167. This was a support structure right here. We got a support level right here. We got a support level right here. Price made a retest. We got a bullish pullback. We got a bullish pullback right here, like we did right here. We got a short bullish pullback right there. Price broke out, and then price is now retesting. So based on what we got right now, based on the current price action bar on the USD pair against the Japanese yen on the daily time frame right now, the bulls are actually above the key level structure of the 104.167. So we need to pay close attention to this level today to see maybe the bulls are going to successfully ensure a bullish close above this level. So if the bulls can ensure a bullish close above this level right there, then don't be surprised. We can definitely tag this price action which occurred right there as a false breakout. So I'm still patiently monitoring the USD pair against the Japanese yen. As we can see right there, we got a minor key level structure which acts right there. We got this minor key level structure as a support structure right there, support right there, as a support right there, as a support right there, as a resistance for this price action bar right there. And right now, this level is actually repelling the bulls for more continuation of bullish rally. And this level acts at the price level of the 105. So pay close attention to the USD paired against the Japanese yen on daily chart frame, according to the minor key level structure, which we got at the price level of the 105. So pay close attention to the USD yen. And then again, I want to share with you guys the USD paired against the Canadian dollar. We can see price is currently at the support structure, below the support structure we got right here. You can see that. That's a price level of the 1.29730. So let's check that based on the higher time frame. Let's check the weekly chart frame of the USD paired against the Canadian dollar. We can see based on the weekly chart frame we got right here, we got a support. That was a previous support swings low at the price level of the 1.29730. Now price is actually at this level right here. So this is not the right time for you to sell the USD against the Canadian dollar right now because it's at a very strong key level structure. So it's better. Alternatively, maybe if you are selling this currency pair, maybe if you are selling the USD pair against the Canadian dollar, this is the right time for you to take your profit or to trail your profit to tighten your stop loss to keep some of your profit. So it's not yet confirmed to short the USD pair against the Canadian dollar because it has a potential very strong key level structure. So I don't want to short the USD pair against the Canadian dollar right now. So if you check right now, based on the weekly chart frame, it's as a support level. So you don't want to sell low. Likewise, you don't want to buy high. So this is what I can figure out on the USD pair against the Canadian dollar at the moment. And then I got a USD pair against the switch right here. Actually, it's a nothing much right here. It's a very, very choppy market. I don't like to trade a kind of choppy market, a kind of very choppy market without a well-defined or direction of movement. So I don't want to trade a choppy market. So on the USD pair against the switch, I'm off these currency pairs. It's not giving a well-defined technical pattern. So let's check another currency pairs I got right here. Let's check on the Australian dollar pair against the USD. The Australian dollar paired against the USD, if I should extend my chart right here, you can see right from the swing low right here, we got a bullish rally to this high right here before we got a bearish rally. So our expectation right here on this currency pairs was we got a bearish rally right here, we got a high swings right here, we got a low high swing right here, we got a low high swings right here, and then price is closing above the previous low high swings right there, which is an indication of a what? Bullish interest, reversal of bearish trend to the bullish trend. So if the bears are very, very strong or interested in this trend, right, in this rally right here, in this currency pairs right here, we shouldn't have figured out bullish rally above the last swings high right here. That is the last low high swings right there. So for the fact the bulls are ensuring a daily close, you can see the daily close of bar right here. You can see the daily close of bar right from this structure right here. This was the low high swings we got right here. We can see the strong bullish close of bar, which is an indication of a bullish interest. So we have to pay a close attention to the next resistance level, which acts at the price level of the 0.73785. So this is what I'm watching out for on the Australian dollar paired against the USD. So at the moment right now, I'm not making any decision. I'm still monitoring these currency pairs right there for the fact price is close to a resistance level. So I don't want to buy close to resistance level. Likewise, I don't want to sell close to support level. As well, if you pay close attention to the pattern we got right here, we pay close attention, we can see we got a formation of a double bottom right here. Can see that? So this double bottom right there has a high possibility to lead into a more bullish trend on this currency pairs, Australian dollar paired against the USD. So this is what I'm figuring up, or technically on this currency pairs. Actually, we got a retest of this neckline of this double bottom right here. We got a first bottom right here. We got a retest right there. We got a neckline right there. We got a retest of this bearish bar. Now, this is a daily bar right here. If the bulls successfully ensure a daily close above the retest bar right here, then it's a signal of a more bullish rally on the Australian dollar paired against the USD. So if I should navigate based on the lower time frame, like the 4-hour chart frame, and study this retest of this level right here, you can see we got a dragonfly. We got a dragonfly retest right here, which is thereby constituting to this bullish rally. And then again, if the 4-hour right now can successfully carve a strong bullish engulfing bar to this bar right here, then it's an indication of a more bullish rally on the Australian dollar paired against the USD. So let's check another currency pairs as well. I got the New Zealand paired against the USD. Here comes the New Zealand paired against the USD. Let's check the weekly chart frame. So based on the weekly chart frame, I can see right here, I share this set or this chart pattern, this analysis with the VIP members community of mine. I stated right here, we got this low swings right here, we got this right here, and then the pattern we got right there, even though this level right there is yet to be filled up. For the fact that it's not yet filled up right there, we want, actually the analysis we got right there, the pattern we got right there looks like what? Inverse head and shoulder. Can see that? But this level right there is not yet filled up. And then if I should zoom in a little bit right here, you guys can see how this market had been in a transformation within what? A bearish channel right here. So price is breaking up of this bearish channel right here. Actually, this market had been in fluctuation within this channel right from September of 2018. That is a long-term trend. That is multi-year channel. Within that is 2 years range. So price is currently breaking out right now. And then if I should zoom in on this currency pairs right here, zooming in on this currency pairs right here, we guys can figure out we got a key resistance structure which acts at the price level of the 0.67601, which was a resistance right here, a resistance right here. We got it right here as a resistance, and then price is ensuring a bullish close above this 0.67601. So technically, what I can figure out on the New Zealand period against the USD based on the higher time frame right now is it does has a lot of bullish interest. It favors a bullish continuation, that is bullish resumption of this bearish rally right here. So if I should zoom in on this currency pairs right here to give more analysis right here, we can see right this choppy market right here, price broke above this level right there with a my bullish volume. So the best thing to do right here based on the lower time frame is we still need to look out for a strong bullish price action before we can anticipate for a more bullish rally on the New Zealand pair against the USD. For the fact we got a very choppy market right here, the very choppy market right here. So I still need to figure out a very strong bullish price action bar before I can anticipate for a more bullish or rally on the New Zealand pair against the USD. But technically on this currency pairs, I can figure out a more bullish, strong bullish sentiment on the New Zealand pair against the USD based on what I can figure out on the weekly chart frame. So let's check the daily time frame right here. This daily time frame right here, we can see the daily time frame is in a what? In a rising bullish channel. Rising bullish channel. Like I stated, we still need to figure out a strong bullish price action bar, maybe a retest right here, carving maybe a bullish pin bar, a bullish engulfing bar, a bullish price action bar before we can anticipate for a more bullish or rally. So at the moment right now, even though I can figure out a bullish sentiment right there, I can't figure out a lot or more complex factors supporting my bullish bias on these currency pairs. So let's check other currency pairs as well. I want to share with you some more currency pairs. Let's check the British pound sterling against the Japanese yen. So we got a massive rally on the British pound sterling against the Japanese yen right there. So I can actually construct a trend line to catch these swings right here. So right here, we got this movement right here. And then there's something I want to show you guys based on the fundamental factors coming up tomorrow. That is actually, that is on Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. Likewise, we guys need to pay close attention to the official cash rate. There's the interest rate. There's based on the New Zealand economy as well. We have to pay close attention to the British pound sterling as well. We got some fundamental factors we have to pay close attention to. So before we conclude, or you conclude making your technical decision in the market this week, you have to make sure you relate them with fundamental factor, because at the moment right now, the market is highly volatile. So any technical analysis you want to make sure you relate to the fundamental analysis before you conclude maybe to execute such trade or not. Actually, I got a lot of currency pairs I want to share with you guys today, but my time is limited. So I'm watching other currency pairs, the euro pair against the Japanese yen as well. We can see right from this level right here, we got high swings right here. We got a low high swings right here. price is currently breaking above the key level resistance. That is the key level structure of the 124.264. So we can say the bullish massive rally right there. So I am not a fan of jumping into this type of trade like this, a very volatile or market whereby there isn't a well-defined key level structure. So I don't jump into this type of choppy market. I look out for a trendy, well-defined structured market. So I got a lot of currency pairs I want to share with you guys. My time is limited, so I just want to share with you guys that is the major currency pairs and which I've trained you guys, I've shared with you guys. So I have other minor currency pairs as well. So I'm gonna share this analysis with a VIP members community of mine. So guys, thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you guys. So if you guys have a question, you can ask your question on the chat box or the comment box. You can ask your question, and then I'm gonna be willing to give answers to all your questions. So thank you so much. If you want to join our community whereby you can ask me a question anytime you wish, any time of the day, it's in the morning or the night, anytime, there's a link I'm going to leave under this video. So you can click on that link, join us today, or join our community. That is a FX Class VIP members community. This is a community whereby traders come together, experienced traders, beginner traders, or we are in this community. We help each other, in trading, in our trading. We help each other. It's not a community whereby you look out for trading signals. It's a community whereby you're going to be tutored, you're going to be helped to become an independent trader. As well, also, any trade I'm taking from my end, any trade I want to take, I'm going to share with you. So this is what I'm doing. These are my setup. These are the currency pairs I'm looking out for. These are my trading or decision in the market. So I'm going to share with you. So once I make a trade, I share with you guys as well. So it's not just a community whereby or a channel whereby you just get a signal to buy or to sell without knowing the specific reason why you are buying, why you are selling, why you make profit or why you make loss. So it's a community whereby as you earn, you also learn. So thank you so much. And for those of you guys who have been asking me for a reputable forex brokerage firm, there is a brokerage firm which link I left under this video. I'm going to leave it under this video. So check the link as well if you want to trade on a reliable, trusted forex brokerage company, not a brokerage company whereby when you trade and you make profit, you want to withdraw your money. It's going to be very, very difficult. You can only fund your account, but you can't withdraw your money or your profit. So if you don't want to be a victim of such brokerage firms, so there is a link under this video. You can click on the link or click on the link as well, so you can register and start trading on a trustworthy brokerage firm today. So thank you guys, and then make sure any trade you want to execute in the market, make sure you implement a reasonable money management analysis. Don't risk more than you cannot afford to lose. Don't treat trading as a get quick rich scheme. Okay, it's a business. It has a rules. So have your rules, trade according to your rules. Be disciplined. If you're not disciplined in this field, in this business, it's going to be very, very, very difficult for you to make a breakthrough. Discipline is very essential. So guys, make sure you have a set of rules. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you so much. And I thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you so much. And I do have a wonderful day. Peace.